nose ring out, and I started going into the lawyers' offices. I started going into the doctors' offices. I even went over to the judges' chambers and started, introducing it to them. And then I would start hitting when I go to Louis Vuitton and Gucci and all that stuff, I'll actually speak to the manager. And my question to the managers will be, how's the morale here in your company? And 9 times out of 10.
Whoa.
My man going in.
Say that again. So yeah, repeat that, man. That's crazy. I never heard anybody ask that question.
Yo, he giving y'all sauce right now, like low key.
And listen, you got to learn how to read between the lines when somebody's speaking to you. You got to listen up. So hopefully they catching it. But when I would go to these high-end stores, I wouldn't act. I didn't want to shop with the salesman, not because anything was wrong, but my objective was going here to introduce myself to the top person here. So I would ask to speak to the manager, and when the manager came over, 9 times out of 10, they're introducing themselves. So when they would come over and say, "Hey, I'm such and such, I'm the manager. I heard you wanted to speak to me," and I'll just let them know, "Yeah, I'm Rashad. I'm shopping, but I also wanted to let you know that I own the only jet ski and boat rental here in DC. And just a quick question for you, because I'm just doing a little survey. How's the morale here in the store?" And they always would tell me like, "It's okay." And I would immediately say, "Well, listen, I just want to throw something your way. Why don't you shut the store down one day and bring the team out, or whenever you guys close for the day at 5, why don't you come out on the water from 6 to 9 and just build that morale up?" And a lot of them would actually do that. So that's how I started getting my high-end clientele. So every year, I know I'm going to have dentists that come out. I know I'm going to have judges that come out. I know I'm going to have CEOs that come out just by me putting that little, "Hey, how's the morale?" A lot of CEOs, they're so far gone, they're not even thinking about the morale in the company. They're just thinking about that money. So me putting that idea in their head, they like, damn. I throw them off when I ask them.
You threw me off.
Why you asking? Like, who are you? You coming from corporate or something?
How's the morale here?
All right.